everything you have done for him. God will bless you both. He will bless you in 1,000 folds.
Amen.
Amen. Oh.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Of course, it's our duty to take good care of him.
That is why I'm saying thank you. Please, I have a little favor to ask.
What is it?
I would love to take Kenna to the city with me.
Huh?
Yes.
Princess. Princess, no, you can't. How can you go to the city with a cripple? Eh? With this smelly injury on his leg? It's not possible now. Eh? You can't even take care of him. Princess, I am one anyeba. I now for one. We are seeing hell. I'm not more of a young girl like you carrying this heavy burden on your shoulder. It's not possible. It's not possible. Mba, Ajum, no. Let him stay here. We will take care of him in this place. You hear me?
Man, please, let her take him to the city.
How can you be making that suggestion? If a young girl like this is making that kind of suggestion, you, an old woman like you, is equally making that kind of suggestion, that this nuisance, you know, Ekene is a complete nuisance. Eh? He will carry that his dirty habit into the princess house and cause a nuisance to the princess in the city. And you are suggesting that the princess will now begin to take care of a nuisance. Mbano. Eh? Adeze, Chelu, happy Eba, Nogo. We will take care of him.
It's okay by me. I can handle it.
You see? She can handle it.
Huh?
No, please allow them.
Uncle, I am grown enough to know what I want for myself. Yes, I might be a cripple, but I have a voice to speak for myself.
Wow.
You have a voice.
I've made up my mind to follow the princess to the city.
Oh, where Ben?
You have a voice. Why did you not have a voice in the beginning? It is now that you are having a voice. It's all right.
Please, I just need somebody to help me go with him to his room to help him with his bags.
Pack his bags. Let me go and do it.
Wait. You know Uche, my son, is his very good friend though. Eh? When he comes back now, he'll be asking me, where is Ekene, where is Ekene, where is Ekene? So if you will give us a forwarding address where you live, so that when Uche comes, we will give it to Uche.
He will want to visit one day, yes.
Oh, that's not a problem at all. When the appropriate time comes for him to visit Ekene in the city, I'll send the address to you. Yes.
It's okay.
Huh? Appropriate time.
At the appropriate time.
Yes.
Yes, that's what she meant.
That is what she said now. Why are you repeating it?
I just want to...
It's okay. Mama, please just help him with his bag.
Let me go and pack his bag.
Let's go. Uncle, can you help us pack it together?
What are you packing? Do you have anything in this house? Is it not the few clothes that my son gave to you that you are packing? Get out. You are going to the city. I should come and pack for you.
Should I carry you?
No, it's okay. I'm fine, eh? I'm fine.
So, this is my living room.
Wow. It's so nice.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, the fragrance coming out from the place is exciting.
Wow.
Yes. The place is very quiet.
First off, I'm glad you like the place. And secondly, it's quiet because I live in this apartment alone. My chief maiden and my security stays at the boys' quarter.
Oh, is that so?
Yes.
You're not married?
Not yet.
I'm so sorry if I asked an offensive question. I didn't mean to hurt you. I asked because I want to know.
Oh, no, it's nothing. It's not a problem. It's fine. Okay, so I'll get your bag from Mwabugo so I can take you to your room. Okay? All right. Mwabugo, let me get your box. Stay put. Okay, so this is your bed. Touch it. Go ahead. You like it, right?
Yes, I like it. It's nice and very soft. Better than the one I used in the village.
Okay, that's exactly why I brought you here. The other amenities in the room you're going to be using, that is the air condition, which is the AC. It's on 16, so when it gets too cold, you can actually increase to about 27 degrees or 30. That's very comfortable. This is the television. The DSTV is not subscribed yet, but I'll put that in order, okay? And here is the toilets and your bathroom. Just in case you need anything, you can call the maid and they'll attend to you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'll just let you get acquainted with the room. Feel comfortable. It's your bedroom, alright? I'll come get you when dinner is ready. Huh?
Thank you so much, my princess.
You're welcome. Alright, see you in a bit. Let me drop your box. Okay, I'll call you when dinner is served.
Okay. Thank you, Lord. Father, Lord Almighty, I thank you for this day. Blessed be your holy name, O Lord. God of Crippled, God of less privilege, I give you all the glory. Thank you for using her to uplift me. Thank you for using her to bless me. Thank you for using her all around me. Father, Lord, please bless her for me. Bless her in her strength, abundantly, and all. May all the glory be to you, O Lord.
My son, I've come to tell you that dinner is ready.
Mama, I'm not hungry. I don't have appetite for food now.
Yes. I've noticed that you have not been happy since Princess Chisom took Ekene to the city. Why?
Oh, why would I be happy? I hate Ekene.
My son, why do you suddenly hate Ekene? Where on earth has he wronged you?
Right from childhood, Ekene has always seen me as a competitor. I don't know what I did to him. Ekene knows very well that Princess Chisom likes me. And he went to bewitch her so she can hate me. Mama, is that fair?
You've started to act and sound like your father. Yes, I already know he has a strong influence towards your decisions and actions. Recently, I noticed it.
Why? So Mama, everything I just explained to you, everything I just told you about Ekene means nothing to you, right?
My son, listen. If Princess Chisom loves or likes you, she will definitely come back to you. It doesn't matter whether she is with Ekene or not. Destiny will always locate you, irrespective of distance. So come and eat your food. How long can you continue like this? Eh? Why would you want to starve yourself to death because Princess Chisom took Ekene to the city? I'm asking you, how long are you going to continue like this? Come on, let's go so that you can have your food. Come.
Uncle, sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem, I understand.
Alright, my father said that you want to see me and talk to me.
Yes. I am here to tell you never to lose hope in winning the heart of Princess Chisom.
Uncle, as it is right now, I am ready to do anything to win her love.
Now you are talking. I have talked to a palace guard in the palace who will now introduce you to Prince Ezinwa, brother to Princess Chisom.
Yes, our younger brother.
Yes.
But Uncle, how is it going to be of help?
Use your brain. See, the moment both of you becomes friends, okay, the prince will have no other option than to influence the sister in accepting you. You know the problem between Prince Ugonna and Chisom, so she will have no other option than to look for where to lean.
Uncle, master planner. All right. Don't worry.
Mbachalo, Emarafam, you don't know my name. Iyetunum, Amandia Neze, Anu Kankampi.
All right. I owe you one something. Okay. All right. Let me get to my car.
I know it will end in praises. I know.
I'm coming.
I will just stand here and wait for you. Let me wait.
It's me. I am coming to...
Yeah. Okay. Hey.
So tell me, how are you coping with the wheelchair? I hope it's been useful.
Yes, I'm actually getting used to it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kenna.
Yeah.
Are you hiding something from me?
My princess. I'm so sorry I didn't tell you.
What happened to you? How did you sustain this injury?
What is going on? Have I done anything wrong?
So you hate me so much that you went to tell the princess rubbish, lies about me, so she can hate me, right?
Me?
going to tell the princess rubbish about you. I didn't tell princess anything, I swear. Did not.
Unyashi.
I cannot lie with this.
Unyashi. You're a liar. You are a liar. You're wicked. Ekene, you are heartless, just like your late father.
Ekene, you don't want to tell me the truth, right? Now start talking.
Yes.
Because if you don't tell me the truth, I will do something to you that you will never ever believe that I'm the one that did it to you. Ekene, start talking.
Sit down and keep a watch on him. Yeah? I'm coming.
What have I done to deserve this? Who did I wrong for this?
Oh, you're still alive. So you
need this much, Jay.
Therefore.
What have I done?
Bitch. Now come. Listen to me. If I hear anything that happens in this room outside, consider yourself a dead man. And henceforth, it's going to be your cap. You must wear this cap anywhere you're going. Okay, so if which is that?
Why didn't you tell me?
My princess, I wanted to tell you, but I didn't know how you're going to handle it to avoid further problems. And moreover, the other day you came to the house, which you ran into the room and begged me to forgive him.
This is wickedness. He asked you to forgive him. After doing this to you?
It's okay.
What are you... Take a look at this. Look at what a human did to his own fellow human and is asking for your forgiveness. This is wickedness and inhumanity to a fellow human. Listen, I am going to deal with them seriously. For doing this to you without even considering your condition.
My princess, please. I would want you to forgive them.
Yeah, right.
Okay? Just let them be. I've already forgiven them. And I would like if you do so. Okay? Please.
It's okay if you... if that is what you want. But most importantly, I'll have to take you to the hospital for proper treatment. What?
My princess, that won't be necessary. Good.
What did I hear you say? What won't be necessary? You mean you want to go... Oh, please. I'll just cover this up and then let you dress up and take you to the hospital. Please. You can't say no. So I'll leave you now. So you take this off. You need air for that to heal properly. So I'll let you dress up, I'll come back and then I'll take you to the hospital. Okay? And don't... I think I should even do this.
Wow.
I am so happy. In fact, I'm super excited
Really?
to be employed as the personal cook of the princess.
Oh, that. Well, I'm the happiest. Because I'm the personal assistant to Ekene. And you know what that means? I'm much, much, much higher than you.
You know, I am surprised at the princess's order that we take instructions from Ekene.
Oh, that. Well, you don't need to be surprised. Because the princess likes Ekene and really want to help him.
You know, it is really, really obvious the reason she bought the wheelchair for him.
But don't forget, I'm much, much, much higher than you. So, you know what that means.
One of my guards told me a lot of good things about you. How kind you were, how generous you are. You know, looking at what is going on in the world, you would think that everybody is bad. In fact, you can't even trust anybody. Everybody has a reason to be bad, but you chose to be good, expecting nothing in return.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, my prince. Oh, well, that is the real me. That is who I am naturally. I like helping people. And I keep telling people, if we the young generation, if we keep supporting each other, the world will become a better place.
Definitely, definitely.
So, I keep preaching that.
You know, having you here and listening to you talk, I strongly believe that you're someone I would like to be friends with.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure, my prince.
So tell me more about yourself.
Yeah, by myself. My name is Uche. I already told you that. The only son of Mr. Mbakwe.
Benny, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
You seems to like Joy, the princess's friend.
Well, yes, because she's pretty and a black beauty. You know, I'm fair, right? So there is this special love I have for black beauties through African colors. All right. So I love Joy, but Gina, well, Gina is okay, but I don't like sexy doings. No, I don't like sexy doings.
See the way he's demonstrating. Well, if you ask me, I would say I like Joy because she has this angelic voice, you know.
You can say that again. But I have to go back to my duty post. You too like me, but
Why did you even stay here in the first place? So I need to go back to
this way. Again, now I've taught you how to make jollof rice.
I'm still testing it. I know you're the one that cooked it, but let me test it first and know if you're more than me or.
Again,
Anyway, I'll give you 60%.
Are you kidding me? Are you trying to tell me that the food is not delicious or
It's
something?
good. I didn't say it's not good. It's good. You tried, but
You're enjoying it. You're enjoying it.
enjoying what?
Yeah,
Because it's me eating it like
Yeah,
this.
enjoying
I'm not
it.
enjoying anything. Pat, carry this food.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I'm more interested in the meat.
I was told by Benny that you refused to come for breakfast. Kenny, You're crying. Why?
I missed my parents. I missed them so much. You know, I wish they were alive to see how God has used you to turn my life around. I wish they were alive to enjoy the fruits of their labor.
Listen, Kenna. God has a reason for everything that happens. God knows why He took them away. I mean, if this did not happen, not like I'm saying it's a good thing your parents are gone. But if they were not gone, I'm sure we wouldn't have had the opportunity to meet. So please stop crying.
I feel so bad. I just feel so bad knowing that I couldn't give them anything. Not even a loaf of bread before they passed on. Nothing.
It's okay, alright? I'm sure wherever your parents are, they are super duper proud of you. Proud of the man you have become today. So now, you are going to stop crying, okay? And I'm going to take you to the dining table because we made something really, really nice you are going to like, okay? Something that is,
Prince Ugonna.
Oh, yeah.
Meet Uche Mbakwe. Uche Mbakwe is a jolly good fellow.
Oh, you can play just.
Like I was saying, Uche Mbakwe is a jolly good fellow. And one of the few good guys in this kingdom that are close to me. Uche, meet Prince Ugonna. Prince Ugonna is the heir apparent to the throne of Umogene Kingdom.
Who doesn't know him? He's one now. Yeah, everybody knows him. Anyways, nice meeting you.
Likewise you, Uche. You're a very handsome man. And I'm sure all the girls in this kingdom would like to have you.
Okay, so let's have a drink.
I'm sorry, what is that? Ah, no, this is not my brand. I'm not having that.
Oh, no, I don't drink this. I drink this. Yes, okay. But at the same time, we can just have this.
Wait, hold on, don't worry. Lady!
No, don't worry. I'll leave this part.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have come to mop and clean the room, sir.
Oh, please don't bother yourself, okay? I'm going to do that myself. You can go ahead and clean the other rooms.
No. This is my responsibility. I have to clean and mop everywhere. Moreover, if Madam finds out that you're the one doing this cleaning, she's not going to be happy with me. And I don't want to lose my job.
It's okay, I understand. You can go ahead and do your job.
All right, sir.
I think that was the sound of Princess car.
I think so.
If she's back.
my God. Oh, hi.
Princess.
How are you?
I'm good. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. And tell me, how are you coping with the new stuff?
I would say Benny taught me a lot. And Cindy, it's very hardworking.
Oh,
I
yeah?
like and enjoyed their company so much.
Wow. That's a very good assessment.
My princess must be very hungry. You know, I made Cindy to prepare your favorite.
That's very thoughtful of you, but I am not hungry. I don't feel like eating anything.
My princess, you seem very excited. What is going on?
Okay, I'll just let it out of the bag. I wanted you to... Okay, guess.
I can't guess anything now. What is in my mind now is that I know that you're hungry.
Okay, I'll tell you. So there's this proposal I submitted at the governor's office.
Okay.
Boom! I won the contract! I mean, I'm so excited.
That's a good news. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And on that note, I would want to ask you, would you mind going to dinner with me to celebrate?
My princess, the food Cindy prepared is so tasty, very tasty. Tomorrow we eat out.
No, I am happy today, so I want to have the food today. Please. Yes! Yeah, so you know what? I'm just going to go in there, take my bath, and in the next 30 minutes I'll be ready. I want you to be ready also, look smart, dress casual, and...
It's okay, let me change it to something very...
I'll be with you in another 30 minutes.
Something good.
Careful, careful.
Okay.
Which a Prince's new friend is here?
There is something about that Prince's new friend I don't like.
He's a chameleon. I think Prince should be wary of him.
Yes, I don't think he's nice the way they painted him to be.
My dear, you are right. I think Prince should be careful. You really need to be careful.
Yes, he
I
needs
don't like
to.
that man.
I don't like him at all. He needs to be careful of him.
Kenna, what is it you said you want to share with me?
I have these feelings that Princess's girlfriends do not like me.
Why do you say so?
They feel I'm not fit to have Princess as my friend, and I think they are right.
Kenna, are you sure of this allegation? Are you?
Yes. My worry is that I do not want them to influence the princess, not to push me away or to hate me.
Again, I don't know why you are bothered about this, because even the princess is not complaining.
Yeah?
Welcome, my princess.
Oh, thank you very much, Benny. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. My princess, since you're here, I beg to take my leave.
Okay, but I hope I'm not the one chasing you out.
Okay? I'll see you later.
So tell me, what is it? You've been acting very funny since we got back from shopping. What's the problem?
My princess, I do not want to bother you.
No, I insist. I need you to bother me. So tell me what the problem is.
Your girlfriends do not like me. A poor, crippled man like me. They see me as an embarrassment to your status and your personality. I think I'm not supposed to be seen in their midst, or yours.
I'll tell you this for free, Kenna. You are not an embarrassment to me. You have never been. And never will you be. You know, I'm thinking that with God on our side, you should be able to walk again.
My princess, please, do not give me false hope.
No, it's not. Okay, so we would see a neurologist. And I'm hoping and praying to God as well that He will do something about this. Okay?
If you do that, I'm going to be very happy.
See, I like the smile on your face right now. That sounds better. Did you play with the phone?
No, this toast. The good life. Yeah, these expensive drinks, so we need to toast to it. Friendship. Oh. I like good drinks. Look at it. Expo. Very expensive. Yes. Hey, my prince. Don't you think, at your leisure time when you're less busy, don't you think it's right for you to pay Princess Chisom a visit? A surprise visit in the city? I'm just advising you as a friend. Why? You're asking me why. Now that both villages knows both of you together, fine prince from this village, fine princess from this village are getting married soon. Don't you think it's good to really know who you are getting married to? Not that you now put all your eggs in one basket and one princess will be somewhere and using one small boy to scratch. You know what I'm talking about now. To be 100% sure that the person you are getting married to soon is also ready. Where you placed her is where she placed you also.
Do you think the princess is capable of such?
Oh, my prince, is she not a woman? If not that our grandmothers, they gave birth through this place, they will claim they are virgins. They will claim so. As much as a woman, she's capable of doing anything. So, my prince, think about it. If not that you are good to me, I will not give you this expensive advice. Just think about it, my friends.
My princess, I want to know if you're giving up on me. Now those doctors said that we should be patient.
Kenna, why did you ask me that kind of question?
Because I have this feeling that you're not happy.
Yes, I'm not happy. And that is because the doctor said your chance of walking again is slim.
My princess.
It's okay.
There's no way I will not want to put smiles on the face of a woman who has given me hope and reasons to live. I will always be indebted to you till the rest of my life.
Thank you very much. And thank you for making me happy as well. All right?
What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I did that. I wasn't supposed to.
I'm really impressed by your improvement. Yes. And if you continue like this, those that knew you before might not know you again.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Well, your sense of reasoning is high. And you adapt quickly to the happenings around you. You comprehend complex things. Yes.
I think someone is coming in. I heard the sound of car. Maybe it's my princess.
Oh, let's wait and see.
Hey, Benny, how you doing?
Welcome, Gina.
I'm okay. Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Penny, please, I'm here to see you, Kenna.
Oh. Okay. Well, in that case, again, I will be in my quarters. Call me if you need anything. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Hi.
Hi. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure you're fine?
Good. Perfect.
Ekene, I'm here to see you. Yes. Why do you hate me so much?
You're the one who hates me.
Me? I mean, they say you don't like me. Everybody says you don't like me. Why?
I should be asking you that question.
You should be asking me, Ekene. I'm going to show you that I really love you. And I can do anything. I mean anything to make you happy. Okay. Okay, look at me. Eh? Is it the cowboy? Eh? Is it the Bugatti? Just look, is it the Bugatti? Eh? Check me now, just check me out. Why are you doing like this? You're a fine boy. Eh? Black beauty. No pimple. Okay, look at me. Okay, you see this you are now. Feel it like this, feel it. Why are you doing like this? I didn't say you should put one. You're not paying. Put the two, feel it. It's bouncing. Eh? You're a fine boy.
Please stop what you're doing.
Okay, stop it. Stop it for God's sake. I love you. Can't you see it? If you're not seeing it in my eyes, can't you see it in my cowbells? Feel it. They're bouncing anytime I do like back. It's because of you now. Eh? Feel it.
Are you a cow?
Cow.
Greetings, my prince.
It seems my sister isn't back yet.
And no, my prince.
Well, with me is Prince Ugonna.
Greetings, my handsome prince.
Are you the only one at home?
No. Benny, Cindy, and Kenna are inside.
Who are they?
With all due respect, my prince, I believe the princess should be the one to answer such questions. Sorry.
Welcome, my friends.
Benny, this is the handsome Prince Ugonna. The friend to Prince Ezenwa. The only brother to our mother, Princess Chiso.
You're welcome, my prince. Please, let's go inside. Take care of the compound.
Come on, Ekene. Touch me now. Why are you doing like this? You're a fine boy. Greetings, Prince Ezenwa and Ugonna. Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry.
Nice to meet you too. Well, I'm surprised you know my name.
Oh, who doesn't know you? The future of it, my best friend, Princess Chisom. Please make yourself comfortable.
Now I like the sound of that.
Let's have them something chill to take.
No, I told you that when you get here, everything will be fine. You know, this is a very nice place, so nothing.
Oh yes, I see that. Is it crippled?
Obviously.
What is it? I overheard the princess shouting. I don't know. Why is she upset?
That. Well, she's upset because Prince Ezenwa and Prince Ugonna didn't inform her before coming.
I see.
Yes.
That is why it is not good to take people for granted.
You see, you're right. But at this point, I have to go back to my duty post.
Sure.
I think by now, Kenna must have been looking for me.
Sure.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
My princess, you've been quiet since you entered. What happened?
You know, I hate being taken advantage of because I am a woman. I hate it.
Is it about your brother and Prince Ugonna?
Why would they come to my house without informing me? That is something I really need to take care of.
Am I the problem?
No. This is not about you. Listen, I have made up my mind not to have anything to do with Prince Ugonna anymore. It has nothing to do with you.
My princess, what happened? You know he's betrothed to you.
I can't be forced into a marriage where I won't be happy. That is not the life I want for myself.
My princess, you know you and Prince Ugonna are of the same royal class. Okay? Do not do anything that you regret. And remember that your family reputation and the happiness of your parents is very important.
As far as I'm concerned, and as far as I am alive, the only important thing to me right now is your happiness. That is all that matters to me.
You see, I thought I was the only one that has noticed his unruly attitude.
Greetings, my friends.
You're welcome, my friend.
What were you two talking about?
Nothing, my prince. We're just talking about the dinner. That the dinner is ready and will soon be served, my prince.
Yeah, exactly, my prince.
You see, I like you too.
Thank you, my friend.
You're both very dedicated to your work. And I like that.
Thank you, my friend.
You know, very soon I'll be marrying the princess. Now I'm going to make sure that the both of you are retained as our domestic star.
Thank you, my prince.
That will be our honor, my prince.
Same here, my friends.
Who's Kenna?
My prince, Ekene is just a poor man that Princess Chisom has taken pity on and has decided to help. My prince.
My prince. And he's very intelligent and likable.
You fools. You think I'm dumb? Well, if I find out that you two just lied to me, I will deal with you. Serve my food.
Yes, my prince.
Excuse me, my prince. My prince, I am honored to be in your presence and to chat with you.
It's okay. Ekene, I want us to talk like men. I want you to feel free with me.
It's okay.
You know, be very truthful with me. See me as your guy. Tell me, how much do you know my sister? Tell me, what does she mean to you?
My prince, your sister, Princess Chisom, is a good person. She's kind-hearted, intelligent, and most of all, she's God-fearing.
I know all that. I mean, she's my sister. You know, my sister, she's a very nice person. But tell me more. How did you come about, you know, staying in this place, living with my sister? How did that happen?
My prince, I'm just a poor crippled man she picked on the road and cleaned me up. She's a very nice person. She just decided to put smiles on my face. She's the reason I'm leaving now.
Ekene, you know, we're young men.
Yeah.
And we have blood running through our veins. We know ourselves. I mean, come on. Are you telling me there is nothing going on between you and my sister? I mean, something romantic.
My prince, your sister is a very honorable person and very respectful. So I wish not to discuss her in such a regard.
Ekena, be honest with me, you know? If you're given the opportunity to marry my sister, will you take it?
My prince, my wish is to see Princess Chisom and Prince Ugunda together as husband and wife. I don't wish to see her lonely again. I want her to be happy. Always.
It's okay. That will be all for now. I must confess, you sound really smart, and I can see that you genuinely care for my sister. No problem, just relax yourself, okay?
My prince, once again, I am honored to be with you.
It's okay, Kenna. You seem to be a nice person, a very genuine one at that.
Thank you.
No problem. Just relax yourself.
Gonna calm down.
Calm down! Calm down! Is that all you can tell me? After your sister has refused me from entering her room, all because of that cripple. And you asked me to calm down!
Now stop.
Come on.
See, man, you complicate issues if you don't calm down. So relax yourself. Let's sort this things out, okay?
I am done condoning her excesses. I'll leave here first thing in the morning. I'm done with this.
It's okay. Just calm down. Nothing spoiled. Okay? Relax yourself.
Your Majesty, things have really gone out of control. You need to call Chisoma and caution her. Her irritational behavior towards Ugonna have really gone out of control.
It's all right. Put a call through to her. Let me talk to her.
Now?
Yes.
My princess, have you gone through the files?
Yes, I have, and we will need to follow it up immediately. Sorry, please excuse me. Yes, Mom, good morning. Dad? Is everything alright? Alright, Dad. Okay.
Sorry, is there a problem?
I'm sorry, but we'll have to fix another appointment. I need to get to my village immediately. There's an emergency.
Oh.
I'm deeply sorry.
Okay.
You can leave. I'll call you.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Wabugo, please get our bags ready. We're traveling. Alright.
Oh, so my prince, how was your trip to the city? How did it go?
I regret ever making that trip.
Oh, is it that bad?
It was a very terrible experience, and I do not want to talk about it.
Come on, my prince. It can't be that bad that you don't want to talk to your friend. After all, I was the one that advised you why don't you just get busy. So talk to me, huh? Talk to your friend.
You see, the truth is, it is over between I and the princess.
What?
Yes. I do not want to continue like this. The princess's heart belongs to another man.
You see, my prince? I knew something was going to... Oh, God. What is it? Women. Anyways, you don't have to get yourself worried. Just relax. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. So just forget about it.
You see, my problem now is my coronation. It is around the corner. And I need to fix my marriage issues. Yes. How do I do that now that my relationship with the princess has gone sour? Tell me, my friend.
Come on.
How?
My prince, what are you saying? Is it not you again? King of the boys, king of the streets. Come on. Look at you. Handsome, rich. So you'll be... my prince, come on. That should not bother you. That should not... Stop worrying yourself over nothing.
All you need to do is just to get one decent, innocent girl. Just propose to her. You see, she will be jealous. And she'll come begging for forgiveness.
And do you think that will work?
100%. Best approach for this. Come on, don't allow it. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Just do this theory. Carry this theory out. You see what will happen. Hi, friends.
Let's celebrate that.
Oh.
Let's
call your boys to bring drinks. Listen.
Good.
Well, I am hopeful. I am hopeful that she will come back.
Let's wait for her return, Your Majesty.
She'll be back now.
Somebody's at the gates.
God, let me in.
You my friend. I've been expecting you.
Come and meet my father, His Royal Majesty Ezebube, and my mother, Her Royal Highness, the Queen.
You're welcome.
You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you very much. Come. Go and get him seats and a glass.
You're welcome. Thank you. I'm pleased. Please get a glass cup.
Your Majesty, I've heard several stories about your love for fair justice.
You're welcome.
How you have ensured peace and harmony in your kingdom. May God continue to bless you, sir.
You see, in fact, I am flattered, right? I always keep my palace open to anyone, anyone who has the interest of my kingdom at heart, right? So you're welcome anytime.
Mom, Dad, Uche is one of my best friends and is one of the best people I know.
You're welcome once again.
Who's that?
Wow, that's my daughter.
She's here.
She's back. You go and help her.
Dad, you're happy now, right?
Of course.
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you, my darling. How are you?
You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Welcome, my princess. Hi, beautiful. How are you? Thank you. Mother. You're welcome. Thank you.
My adoring daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you.
Look at my king. Look at my friend.
I didn't know you visited the palace, Uche.
Yes, Sis, Uche is my friend and he came to visit me. Uche, we could go inside and talk like men. Alright. Dad, Mom, please excuse us.
And the amiable prince, isn't it?
Sis, I've missed you.
And I have missed you too. Learn to always keep your shirt down.
Always taking care of me.
I should have been elder sister.
My guy, we'll go ahead.
Oh, not at all, Mom. I'm just... I can see you two are having a good time.
Well, I think I have to share with you.
Of course.
Yes. And I will share with you again. My queen.
Look at them. You guys are old. I hope you know that.
Don't say that again.
Who told you that?
Don't say that
Mom,
again.
how old are you?
And where is she?
My prince, I left her here.
You left her here. I can't see her.
Excuse me, my prince.
I missed you.
Same here. I really missed you too.
You see, I am really sorry for the other time. I'm really sorry.
My prince. It's okay. It's all in the past now. I've forgiven you. Since you promised to make it up. Yeah.
You were so different from the rest of them. You know what?
What?
I want to take you to the bedroom. I have some new stuffs I know you are going to like.
So what are you waiting for? Let's go there.
Hi! Hi, come. Listen, I do not want any one of you in the living room anymore, okay?
Okay, my prince.
I relieve all of you of your duties until tomorrow. Now go! To the bedroom. Yes!
The hell is trying to spoil this phone we're having?
Sweetheart, just speak and answer the call. It may be something important.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Hi. Oche, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, and you?
Yes, I am good. Hey, see, I was just having some fun. I was actually in the middle of something.
It's good to enjoy your life. Anyways, I just called to know how you're faring.
Very well then. Hey, you should have some fun too. Life is too short. You never know when you die. Alright then. Bye.
Alright.
We should get back to business.
What is going on?
Papa, the way you are so inquisitive these days, eh? No, Papa, must you know everything going on in my life?
My son, it is because your father cares. Eh? I mean, if you tell me what is happening, when it is happening, how it is happening, then I will know how to make inputs, advice, suggestions, and then we will channel it properly.
Papa, are you very sure? That's why you're asking. Are you sure, Papa? Are you sure?
I don't know anything again. I know that is why I'm asking.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Anyways, my trip to the palace went well. Yep, I was able to meet the king and the queen before the princess actually came back.
So, what was the reaction of the princess when she saw you?
Well, it wasn't bad. Yep, it wasn't bad.
You know, my son, You know, I am having this strong feeling that His Royal Majesty and the Queen may begin to recommend you to their daughter for marriage.
Hey, Papa, if that happens, hey, I'll be the happiest human being on earth. And Papa, I will have the opportunity to laugh at Pat.
Of course, you would laugh at Pat.
For what she did to me.
Yes, Pat has to be disgraced. Because I know that Ugonna, the prince, must disappoint her at 5:15.
Papa, I am very sure of that. That Casanova, I know that Casanova will dump her. And Father, that will give me the opportunity to laugh at her in a foreign language.
In a foreign language?
In a foreign language, Papa.
I hope you have the language.
Standing by. I'm going to laugh at...
No. I hope you have the foreign language.
Papa, I said standing by in Chinese and Korea. Chuala, chuahihi, chuayahiyawa, chuchuahiya, lehu.
As a matter of fact, your excellent business ideas have expanded and raised our company to greater heights. Consequently, I want to compensate you in a very special way.
Oh, really? Well, Father, I am exhibiting exactly what you taught me. I am highly indebted for the motivation, Father.
I'm flattered, though. You know, those virtues of greatness are very good. Of course they are. However, as a woman, I think you need to think of settling down. Secure your future.
Very important. I know where you're driving at. But if you're talking about marriage, not to worry, that will happen very soon.
Yes. I heard that you are living with some people in the city. Who are they?
Oh, I live with my maid and a young man I decided to help.
You're Gigolo, right?
Mother, I will not accept you speak about him like that. You don't even know this young man in question. If that is coming as an insult to him, I won't take it.
What would you do? Would you dare me because of him?
Mom, please. Both of you should just calm down.
I don't think we should get ourselves worked up over this. Okay? My queen.
Your Majesty.
Calm down. Chisom, I want to ask you a question. I mean, why do you hate Ugonna so much?
As a matter of fact, Father, I don't hate him. He doesn't just have a place in my heart. My heart belongs to another.
You are a liar. Yes, you lie. Ugonna is our choice for you, and you must marry him. I want you to know that you don't have a say in this matter.
Well, Mother, you would not make a choice of a husband for me. I will spend the rest of my life with a man I choose to be with.
Chisom, you must marry Ugonna else.
Mom, I won't let you force her to marry someone she does not love. Gonna those days when such arrangements work. Besides, you don't even know Gonna that well.
Really?
Well, like I said before, we shouldn't get ourselves worked up. Let's take it easy. Chisom, my daughter.
Father.
I've come to the decision that as far as this issue is concerned, I will accept your final decision.
Father, I never had any intentions of becoming Ugunna's wife. Neither did I ever see him as my husband. So, thank you very much.
It's all right. The man you are living with at the city, I would like you to bring him. Is that understood?
Perfectly, Father. I understand. I'll bring him and thank you very much. Thank you too, Mother. for accepting, you know?
I've not said so.
Thank you all the same.
Just be getting ready because I'll win you now. Get ready to pack up. See? I told you.
Okay. I can help. I can see you are good in this game.
Very good, and I'll win you and win you and win you 100
Okay,
times.
okay, I give up. Thumbs up. This is what happened now, yeah? We'll now change to this one. Do you know this game?
I know.
This is called Pack Attack.
I know.
Can't you go quick?
And do you know what? I'll still win you in this one.
No problem. Take. Have this thing. Alright. Okay. This is your house. This is mine. Okay. I put.
Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hi.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey, Gina.
What's up? I'm fine. Vicky, how you doing?
As you can see, we're doing good.
You didn't tell anyone you're coming.
Oh, yeah, I actually promised Princess Chisom to always come and check on the Kenna to know how he's doing. So I'm here to see him.
That's nice. In that case, I'll have to take my leave.
Thank you.
I'll get my quotas. It's okay.
Thank you very much, baby. You're looking good.
Thank you.
See winning you. See winning you.
I'm coming back for you.
Kenna, should I come and help you?
It's okay. It's fine.
You're not. Okay. I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Look at the shirt. It's same with mine.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. I actually wanted to relax. You know.
I'm relaxing.
You're not.
I am.
That's why I'm here to keep you company.
Please, stop this.
Okay,
Stop
come on
it.
now. Calm down.
Stop it.
Okay, look at just for the fact that we're even wearing the same. Do you understand?
This is green and this is red.
No, I mean the orange. It's together. You don't know. I mean orange. It's orange color. It's one. It's not like it's together. One.
Please, just get up.
Okay,
You're stuffing me up.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Oh, your leg. I'm
Yes.
sorry.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, you're not looking at me. At least look up. Feel the orange. The cowbells. No, not up here. Okay. Aww. You're so cute. Okay, what's wrong with you now? You're shouting. Eh? I'm here to keep you company. If you don't want to look at the front, don't you look at the back? Okay, look at the back. Look it. Eh?
Welcome, ma.
Yes, thank you.
Emma, you instructed that before you travel, that whoever comes to look for you, I should keep records.
Okay. Did anyone come here to look for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Your friend, Gina.
Oh, Gina. Did anyone else come here?
No.
It's alright, just get my bags from the boot. Wabugo will collect them from you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma, the keys, ma'am.
Ekene, what are you hiding from me?
Princess, you almost got me scared.
What was Gina doing in your room last night? Why didn't you tell me Gina was in your room?
I'm sorry, my princess. I'm so sorry about that, okay?
Listen, I need you to explain to me. What exactly was she doing here that you had to cover up for her?
My princess, she tried seducing me.
What?
Then when I refused, she forced herself on me. I tried pushing her away. I also hit her severally with an object. Then I left to my room. My princess, I am so sorry. It was Benny that suggested we shouldn't tell you so as for you not to get mad at her. For you not to destroy the relationship you have with her.
My question is, why would Gina want to take advantage of you? Again, if anything had happened between you two, I wouldn't have forgiven myself and her.
Please forgive her. Okay?
Kenna, I liked you from the very first day I saw you. I can't hold it any longer. That is why I am telling you now. I like you a whole lot.
Really?
I know this may sound funny, but I haven't felt warmth from a cuddle before.
I have some feelings too.
I would love for you to make love to me. But I'm still a virgin. And I promised myself and God that I wouldn't let any man touch me until my wedding night. But just to prove the love I have for you. I want you to take me to bed. Please.
My princess, I am not in a hurry. I will still wait for you till whenever you're ready.
Okay, so my parents know you live with me and they demand to see you. I would like for us to visit them tomorrow.
It's okay, my princess. Your wish is my command. Come, let me whisper something to you.
Okay. Okay, so we've arrived at the palace, Kenna. Look, this is my father's palace.
My princess, I'm a bit tensed.
Now listen to me. You shouldn't be, okay? This right here is my father's house. Moreover, you have me here, so there's nothing to be scared of. Alright?
Sis, you're back.
Oh, that's Onwa. How are you?
I'm fine.
So you're good?
Yeah.
My prince, I greet you.
Yeah. Kenna? Benny. My prince. We meet again. Well, you both are welcome to the palace.
Thank you, my prince.
So where's father?
He should be upstairs. Alright, let's go in.
So you say mom is upstairs?
Yeah. You're not looking bad at all.
I know, like I look good all the time.
Always. Greetings, Mom.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Thank you, sir.
Who is he?
His name is Kenna. He's the young man that lives with my sister in the city.
Ekene, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you so much for welcoming me, even when I'm a commoner.
You have spoken very well. Is that right? You're welcome. Adam.
Mother.
Take him to go and see your father. He has been expecting him.
Alright, so off we go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My prince, please, I want more.
Of course you know I'll give you more.
Sweetheart, I will always change every moment I spend with you.
Likewise, me. Haven't you noticed that I do not have time for any other woman but you?
I love you.
Of course you know I love you too. I have to get this. Hey, Uche. Listen, you're not supposed to be calling me now. Because I am in the middle of something very, very important.
No. My prince, listen. This is a very vital information I want to give you now.
What is it?
My prince, the princess is back to the village with that cripple you met in her house in the city.
Well, she can do whatever she wants to do with him. I do not fucking care.
My prince, did you hear what I just said? I said the princess brought the cripple to the village to introduce him to her parent as her fiancé.
It is not my business.
No, my prince, this needs to bother you. It needs to bother you. Not after both of you have parapolated yourself in the two kingdoms as husband and wife. Huh? My prince, check it out now. What would people in the community say? That the princess dumps you, a prince, an heir apparent to the throne, for a cripple, a half human being. This is the highest of all. The biggest disgrace ever any woman can give to a man. Okay now, my prince, check it out. If these people have good intention, as normal human being that have sense, are they not supposed to call you and your family and tell you properly and say, okay, our daughter cannot marry the prince again? No, check it out now. It's a disgrace. You need to fight. You need to think on your own quiet time. Just think about what I just said. You react. You're a man. Is it not you again? Is it not you again? Please check it out.
I don't care.
Well done. Son, you can go. You have done well. He has done well.
He has taken a professional approach.
Uche, Nga, you can go, eh?
Oh my God.
Uche. That's
my son.
I know. I know.
He's now a dribbler.
Maradona.
You see, I cannot wait for Udoka's son, Ekene, to be disgraced and humiliated in this village permanently.
Mbakwe, do you want me to say something?
Mandianese, say something. Say something.
Now listen to me. If it entails chaining him permanently in the grave, Mua, Amandianese, Anonkankampi, Nkizizi, the first, I will do just that for you and your son.
Is that possible?
Are you doubting me? Nothing is impossible. Unwero, nothing is impossible. That.
Ekene,
Your Majesty.
do you know you have a very beautiful name? Ekene, when interpreted, means praise. You are not only intelligent, you are very brilliant.
Father, you wouldn't believe it, but Ekene here is a first-class graduate.
Wow. That is wonderful. It's all right. You said you have a special question to ask me. So what is it?
Okay, Your Majesty, I want to know the history of our land. And I learned that you are knowledgeable on it. So if you don't mind, please, could you educate me on it?
You are very correct. I am quite conversant with the history of our kingdom. As a king, you should know that I should know a lot about our history. But as you can see, I am not too disposed to telling you now because I'm not strong enough. Perhaps later, we'll find time for me to tell you.
It's okay, Your Majesty, whenever it pleases you to do that. It's okay by me. But once again, want to say that I'm honored to be in your presence.
You are most welcome to my kingdom anytime, particularly my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome.
Okay, so it's time we left Father to rest. He needs some rest, okay? Okay, Dad. You need to have some rest, okay?
My dear, also, I'm happy because I don't have strength for a while.
May I just pray elsewhere? I pray it elsewhere.
Thank so much.
Hello, sir. I'm giving you this information because of the role you played when a major operation was needed to save the life of my younger sister.
When I assisted in saving the life of your younger sister, I did not know that someday you would also be of help to me.
You know, in life, whatever goes around turns around.
Yes, that's true. I want you to reach out to the king and queen on my behalf. Yes. Inform them that Ekene is a wizard. He acquired his evil powers, from his late father. In fact, the death of his father and mother is as a result of their evil deeds.
Really?
Yes. Tell the king and the queen so that they do not allow their daughter to follow the same path.
Okay. I'll give them this information immediately. All right.
Thank you.
Huh? Papa the Papa. You have finally set fire everywhere.
And we will sit and watch as the fire burns.
This is now from your evil ways.
Thank you, brother.
Cheers.
And to you, brother.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is actually good. You want some? No. Can I have
Oh, Prince Ugonna. You are here. What a surprise. I wasn't expecting you.
I just realized that my good friends are few.
What do you mean by that?
Chisom, I need to talk to you privately.
You know, I would have loved to have a talk with you. But as you can see, I'm here with somebody very dear to me.
Listen, if you do not attend to me right now, I'm going to do something we all will regret.
Ugonna, what has come over you? Don't you ever threaten my sister in such a manner again. Don't you ever try it again.
And you, where is your man? Have you bothered to ask your sister why she brought in disabled wicked wizard into this palace? And she has the gut to introduce him to us as his fiancé.
Mother. That is totally wrong and I won't accept it. You can say whatever you want, but you would not call my guest a wizard.
Really?
Yes.
Jason.
Father.
Look, I will not accept to see this crippled wizard in my palace again.
Very well then. Well, if it may interest you two to know, I would rather stay with this disabled, crippled man who makes me happy, rather than stay with you two who doesn't even care about how I feel. And as for you, you look like a castrated imbecile when you talk. Stop this nonsense. It doesn't suit you.
I told you, she has been bewitched.
Jason!
Kenna, let's go.
Jason! If you leave this place,
everyone!
Dad!
The first time I saw him, I fall in love. The first time I saw his face, yo, I fall in love. Oh, my God, my quality.
My prince, what happened? My father is about to die. Let's take him to the hospital. I've called the doctor. He said he's coming. Don't worry, nothing will happen to him. Then in that case, let's go inside and stay with him. Until the doctor comes. Did you see my sister? No. Let's go. Go.
My son, there's something I want to discuss with you. And I want to make it quick.
Okay, no problem, Mama. What is it you want to discuss with me?
Uche, my son. No. Have you decided to stay in the village now, rather than city? Please, what is happening? That either you or your father doesn't want to tell me.
I'm in the village because I'm making plans for my marriage.
Huh?
Or Mama, am I not old enough to get married? Huh? Don't you want me to give you grandchildren? Is it not what you've been aspiring for?
Of course. You are of age. Hell, it's okay, my son. No problem, eh? That reminds me. What about Pat? I've not been seeing her for a while now. I hope all is well.
Mama, don't worry. Huh? When the right time comes, I will give you answer to that question. For now, I have no answer to that question.
It's okay, no problem.
Odogunna.
Papa.
Okay, sorry. It appears that you have a serious discussion with your mother. When you're done with her, let me know.
No problem. I am through with him already. You can go ahead.
Papa.
Hi! Nah, the way you are rushing this palm wine, it's like it's very good.
Yes, but I'm not rushing it now.
Well, look at what is left.
Papa, you know,
Are you going for a contest?
No. I'm just sharpening it down.
Because remember that it's only your mother that is the only woman in the house. Hey, let me feel my gobble. Because even though I'm not going for a contest, I know that the woman in the house is
your
my
wife.
wife.
Yeah, Papa, you have work. You have work.
I always have work. Odogunna, I learned that the princess left the palace with a king.
Papa, if I set my eyes on Ekene, if I lay my hands on him, I will strangle him, Papa. I will kill that boy. Papa, let me tell you, if I cannot get the princess, then Ekene cannot have her. No one will have the prince apart from me. It's a promise.
You will do it. But you will not do it physically.
How do you mean, Papa?
There are many ways to kill a rat.
So what do you want us to do?
Don't worry. Trust me. I'm your father.
Okay, if you say so.
Dad, it gladdens my heart to see that you're recovering. You know we cannot afford to lose you. Not just as my father, but as a great king that you are.
Thank you very much, my son. I'm equally very happy that I'm recovering. What of my daughter, Chisom? Has she visited since then?
No, Dad.
I think I was too harsh on Ekene. I would like my daughter to return home before I join my ancestors. I want to make up with her.
Dad, I'm sorry to say that I don't think that my sister, Princess Chisom, is coming back anytime soon. Unfortunately, the only person that can make her come back is Ekene.
Ekene. It's all right. Put a call through to him in that case. Let me talk to him.
Okay, Dad.
Hello. Ekene. This is His Royal Majesty, Ezebube. Please, Ekene.
Dad, easy.
I'm very sorry for the embarrassment we may have caused you. Please tell my daughter that I want to see both of you in my palace. I want to give you my blessings.
You can do what? You do no such thing. And listen, idiot, nobody is blessing you. And you're not getting married to my daughter. Silly. Why should you apologize to that fool? I mean the wizard. As long as I am alive, I will not have you support or bless any of them. Not when I am alive.
Come on, Mom.
Will you keep quiet?
How dare you? How dare you?
Dad, please. Dad, listen.
How dare you snatch my phone from me? How dare you give orders in this palace? Now get out from here.
Dad, please. Dad, please, just relax. Calm down. It's okay, just relax. It's okay, just calm down.
Mom, this is wrong. Mom!
Uche, you see, I have decided to marry Parts.
My prince, are you serious?
Oh, yes, I am. You see, I think I have fallen in love with her. I feel comfortable around her, so why the hell not?
My prince. What about Princess Chisom?
Well, I have given up on the fight to marry Princess Chisom. You see, she can go ahead and marry anyone she deems fit. I don't care anymore. After all, I am happy now. And that's all that matters.
Oh, my prince, I think I have not been fair to you.
How do you mean?
Pat is my lover.
What are you talking about? Which? My part?
Yes, my prince. As a matter of fact, we've been dating right from secondary school.
So Pat has been playing me all along. With you, my friend.
My prince, I was a first boyfriend. Yes, first boyfriend she had. After I opened that place. So, I stay.
Well, since both of you have decided to be husband and wife,
Sorry, Majesty.
Sorry, Majesty.
thank you. I hereby bless you.
He said.
It shall be well with you.
He said.
You shall prosper in whatever you lay your hands on.
He said.
Go and excel.
Sorry, Majesty. Sorry.
Thank you.
My princess. Are you okay?
Sis, what's wrong?
What is it? What is it?
I don't know, but I've been having this feeling for some days now, every morning.
Get a doctor to take care of her.
Your Majesty, our daughter is pregnant. You are.
You mean it?
You are.
May the gods be praised.
Amen.
Sorry, Father. Father. What is it?
Dad.
Father.
Dad.
Father.
Dad.
Father.
I was reliably informed that our king is sick.
He should better survive, because he has been of immense help to a lot of people in this kingdom.
But his help hasn't come to my doorstep.
Hey, it will come. I'm assuring you that it will come when Uche, my son, marries the princess. I told you he's coming.
When you talk about the devil
appears. Oh, no, Naya. Hi. Hey, sit down.
Of course, I will not give you my glass.
No. He doesn't drink this.
Okay. There is one he hides inside his cupboard. He doesn't drive.
Father, I'm not happy. Nothing is working out as planned.
Uche, calm down. Very soon, unimaginable things will begin to happen to Ekene.
That is the problem. That is it. You keep feeding me with the same information. Unimaginable things will happen to Kenna. Nothing ever happened. As a matter of fact, I heard that the Igwe has given his consent, his blessing to his daughter to go ahead with Ekene.
Uchenna, calm down. Mm-hmm. You will go to the palace and reconcile with Ekene.
Over my dead body will I do that. Over my dead body will I stoop so low to go to that palace to reconcile with the Solo to beg him? For what?
Uche, whether you like it or not, you have to go back to the palace and reconcile with him. Because when this whole thing will begin to happen to Ekene, Princess Chisom will have no option than to look for a shoulder to lean on. Ana agwa gị na-ege ntị. Ana agwa gị na-ege ntị. Agwakwa gị ọzọ. Ana agwa gị na-ege ntị maka na akwụ aka ege ntị. Eh? If you like, kick the walking stick.
Kick walking stick 10 times. You must go to the palace.
Of course.
Must go to the palace and reconcile.
Whether he likes it or not.
QED.
Mbakwe. You've seen I have done more than enough. You got much of one tomorrow. I'm going to
why did she allow his anger to cool? I'm going to go and get something from him for both of us. Am I not trying?
Yeah. You are trying. You are trying, but you have to do more now. Because we are getting to the bottom of it.
Yeah.
You want to go?
He's a small boy. You don't
Nah.
Uche, my father is gone. He's no more.
Sorry about that. Please take heart.
I still can't believe this. I still can't believe my father is gone. Just like that.
Please, my condolence. Sorry you lost your father.
I'm so heartbroken. This is painful.
Take heart.
It's okay.
Ekene, my brother, please, from the depth of my heart, I want to apologize for all the wrong things I've done to you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Forgive and forget. Please, I want us to come back together again. You know how we were before.
Uche,
Beg in the name of God.
I'm surprised at your apology. I don't have anything against you, nor your father. Even if I do, I've forgiven you a long time ago. Please get up.
Please. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Hey, Nani! Naya! Nani! Eh? You are here eating. Nani! I expected to see you and Uche, our son, at Ekene and Princess Chisom's wedding. But you weren't there. What happened?
Is there anywhere it is written in the village constitution that attending marriage is by force?
It is written nowhere that attending marriage is by force, Nai. But you're supposed to come, you know. Hi!
Now you needed to come and see what really happened. The wedding is the talk of the town. It was attended by great and influential dignitaries. There was a lot to eat and drink. None. Not this type of food I used to cook here that you are eating. You will see foods. Food. If you see drink, different types of food. Nyoka, niji, fufu, gare, name it. All types of food. If you want to eat ukwa, you go and meet the people that are serving ukwa. They will serve you ukwa. If you want to eat salad, you go and meet them department by department. If you see meat, anwefi, toke, kanda. If you see bushmeat, nani. Hey! You needed to be there, nani. Where the neck and hey. Erika tamunni. Chokwe hengeji burun ihe natawa from.
My eyes, oh.
What happened to your eyes?
Something entered my eyes.
Something
Please,
entered your eyes.
Get me water, get me water. Run inside, run inside.
I'm
get
coming,
me
let
water.
me bring water.
You will not leave me alone. Okay?
Thank you for making me the happiest woman on earth.
Thank you for loving me and making me happy. You know, loving me is the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Oh, really?
Yes. And being my wife, I mean, I'm so happy.
Yippee!
Irrespective of my condition and my poor background, you still love me.
And you know, I'm so glad our kids are going to have peace, joy, and happiness.
Yes.
I'm jealous here.
Shut up.
You know, there will always know peace and joy.
Yes, of course.
Hatred.
Peace and joy.
You'll be far away from them.
Far away from them.
Far away.
Are you okay? Kenna, what is
Darling,
it?
what is it? What is it? Are you okay?
Kenna?
Kenna? Benny, just take one.
Kenna, what is it?
Hey!
Call the doctor.
Sorry.
I just don't would start. So I'm thinking to spice it up, we can pay for a private island for just you and I.
Wow, that's so sweet. I love you so much. So much.
Of course, I love you too, my darling.
That's so sweet.
I like that.
I can't wait. I'm so eager. I can't wait.
I know you can't wait, darling.
My prince, you have a visitor.
Ooh, visitor?
I wasn't expecting it.
But my prince, she's here.
Who?
My love, please. I am sorry for everything. Please, forgive me.
Look at you. Look at you. I have told you I do not want to ever set my eyes on you again. You are the cheapest whore I have ever known on planet Earth. Go back to Uche. And don't you ever step your feet in this house again.
My love, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Hey! Show her to the gates.
Can you just leave?
Please forgive me.
And leave! Hey, mosquito, leave! Don't touch my prince. Don't touch my prince. Ew! She ain't even classy. Go! Go away! Mosquito! With her cheap shoes. And she touched you. Oh!
Just imagine that.
She ain't even classy.
Oh,
Who's
yes, I
that?
know.
Who's she?
I don't know.
Oh, it's just a mosquito. Look at that.
What is it, Pat? Why are you blocking my way?
Uche, please, we need to talk.
Talk what? No, what do we have to talk about? Oh, what about Prince Ugonna? No. What happened to Prince? Hey, stop it. You dumped me for Prince Ugonna, probably because he's richer than I am, probably because he's a prince.
No, it's not.
Are you done with him, or is he done with you? So why do you want to talk with me? See, no, listen, hey, as you can see, I have moved on. I'm happy with my life. So please, don't bring back old memories.
You need to hear me out first. At least hear me out first.
I said I don't want to hear you out!
But okay, I am sorry.
Sorry about what?
Uche, please.
Stop it! Please, for God's sake, leave the way, let me go. As you can see, I'm going somewhere.
I am not going anywhere.
For real?
You just need to hear me out.
For
please.
real?
Yes.
You're not going anywhere?
And I said I'm sorry.
Right.
Yes, I am sorry. Uche, please, I still love you. I know that.
Huh? No, you love him. Don't ever in your life say that to me again. Probably because he has dumped you, you want to come with me.
Please. Let's just talk, please.
For real?
I'm not going anywhere. Uche, please hear me out first, please.
Why would you pour drink for me with your left hand?
Are you suspecting me?
You think I'm a small boy?
Nah.
You shake it very well. You see, I told you it would happen. And it has come to pass. Am I not a prophet?
Were you the person that did it? Is it not my handwork? Is it not my brain work?
But I prophesied. See, him, he's coming.
Your son.
Then Naija is back. I told you, he's back.
Nah.
Oh, no good Naija. Yeah, Wadike.
You don't even need to sit down. Just go inside, bring a glass, and enjoy this palm wine because we are celebrating.
We are enjoying those.
And I think I deserve to know what the celebration is. Oh. So, can I know what we're celebrating?
You want to know? Okay. Let me bust your brain. News reaching us from the palace says that Ekene has been struck by something and now he cannot talk.
What? Oh, but tell me you're joking.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Uche, just look at your father's face. Mbakwe, look at me. Do we look like jokers?
We are not joking. We are not jokers.
See, something strange happened to Ekene as it is now. Ekene is deaf.
Dumb. And he is motionless.
Wait. Papa, you mean Ekene is not only crippled, he's deaf, dumb, and motionless? Hey! God, oh, thank. So, what God cannot do does not exist.
Don't say that. Not what God. What Mbakwe and Amanda they say, Anunkankampi, Nkizizi, cannot do, does not exist.
Papa, so finally, the only barricade in between me and Princess Chisom has finally been removed.
Hey!
Away.
Throw away.
So, Princess Chisom will be mine.
What God cannot do does not. Okay. Cannot do does not exist. Which you come. Finally. Go and get glass.
So, Papa, in that case, definitely the princess will need a shoulder to lean on. So, Papa, should I go to the palace and console her?
Don't even think of going to the palace. If you go to the palace, they will begin to suspect you. They will suspect you. Calm down.
Uche,
My son, calm down. When the time is right to go to the palace, we will let you know. Because we are having feelers.
From the palace.
Papa the papi. What my father and his friend cannot do does not exist.
The first time I saw his face, yo, I fall in love, my God, my quality. My quality, forget his condition. He's my choice. I love you. My quality, forget his condition.
What is wrong with him?
Honestly speaking, we don't know.
We have taken him to a specialist, but nothing was done.
It is not a matter for the hospital. It is a spiritual matter.
Please, we need you to help us. We need you to help us save his life, please.
Nobody can change my heart. No matter what's happened, I will always love you. 'Cause I found peace of mind loving you. I found joy loving you. 'Cause you were man after my heart. I will always love you.
He is innocent of the accusation. Gods of our land, come and speak for the dumb. I beg you to defend the defenseless. Let the sower reap whatever he planted. I beg you to reverse all the cause of this ailment.
I told you we cannot lose on this.
Good afternoon. I am sure that by now, that idiot Kenna would have joined his father Udoka and the mother Adugo in the land beyond. I did it. I killed the Kenna.
Hey!
I also killed the Kenna. I killed the I killed Adugo.
Hey!
Adugo refused to sleep with me.
What?
Who is there?
It's me, Adugo.
Come inside. 16, 17. Come in. 18, 19, 20.
Mazen Mbappe. Greetings, sir.
25, 26, 27, 28.
Please, is your wife in?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Is your wife in?
So welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Mazi, what you're holding in your hands can change someone's life.
If you want, it can be yours.
If only wishes were horses, they can fly.
Adugo, see, let me tell you, you don't have to go into such lengthy adage for this thing to be yours. I just want you to, play with me a little while my wife is away. Smell it. This can be yours. Even the ones on the table, I can give them all up to you. I have more inside. But all I just want Adugo is that,
Stop! Just stop! Stop this! Just stop! Stop it! What is wrong with you? This is the second time you're doing it. In fact, I'm going to tell my husband.
I must not allow this woman disgrace me in this village. Adugo, before you get home, I snuff the life out of you.
Oh, Mama.
She's back home. I'm so sorry I came back very late. I had a little day. A little day.
Mama. Mama.
Adugo.
Mama.
What is going on?
Mama.
Adugo.
Mama.
Don't do this to me.
Mama.
What's going on? See, I inflicted the Kenna with a severe ailment.
Hey!
Very good. But my son has to marry the princess now. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess.
Confess!
What happened to him? Somebody should talk to me.
He said he wants to confess.
Confess?
Yes.
He said he
killed some people.
He killed some people?
Yes.
Hey.
Like Adugo.
Papa! Now stand up.
Evil men.
You killed Adugo. You said Adugo?
Yes.
Hey. You killed Adugo.
Hey.
Hey, whoa. Chimo. Chimo. Hey. Nine. You killed Adugo. Huh? Hey.
Jesus. So Papa, you killed Ekene's father. Papa, why?
My queen, I beg to take my leave.
Wise one, how is he?
You will be fine.
Wise one, I have something for you.
Gods! The gods forbid me to receive gratification for such work.
Thank you, Wes. Thank you.
Hey!
My sister.
They got what they deserve for their wickedness.
That's very wicked people. You know, according to our custom and tradition of our land, their corpse will be thrown in the people forest.
Yes! That serves them right. They don't deserve my pity.
Very wicked woman.
There is no peace for the wicked.
Yes. These people are
wicked.
They are wicked.
Very, very wicked.
Obi.
Hmm?
How are you? How do you feel? What is going on?
I think I can feel my body.
Huh?
Yes.
This is unbelievable.
You're moving your legs.
May the gods be praised. Can you?
Yeah. I can feel my legs.
Wait, let me help you.
I can walk.
You can what?
I can walk. I can. Hold on. Leave me. Just leave me.
Thank you, Jesus. Ibungalabaji sindumwe. Ibungalabaji sindumwe. Onyemema ibungalaba. Ibungalaba. Ibungalabaji sindumwe. Onyenelema ibungalaba, eze ibungalaba, ibungalaba. It's okay. The baby is fine. Fine. So it's sit down.
I can walk.
Be careful. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is it? Eh? Eh? No, turn the gas! Gas! Stand. Open your mouth. Breathe. Let's take her to the hospital. It's okay. Don't shout. Let me sit down. If you shout now, you continue shouting. Don't shout, okay? I'm not shouting. I'm not shouting. Don't shout. This is your first experience. Don't shout. Mama. Open your mouth. Please. Hello, son.
Hello, Mom, guess what? Guess.
Come on, if you want to tell me anything, you just go straight to the point. You know I'm not good at guessing.
My sister, your daughter, Princess Chisom, giving birth to a bouncing baby boy. Are you serious? Yes, Mom, sure.
Baby boy? Oh, may the gods be praised. I am so happy.
Mom, sure, we'll go through a party now. We'll throw a party.
Don't worry about that. I'm going to tell the guards and the maidens to prepare for a feast.
All right, Mom. I love you. I'm coming home now.
Thank you so much. Oh. May the gods be praised.
I fall in love, my God, my quality. My quality. Forget his condition. He's my choice. I love you. My quality. Forget his condition. I love him like that. Yeah. My quality. Forget his condition. change this love I have for you. Nobody can change my heart, yeah. No matter what's happened, I will always love you. 'Cause I found peace of mind loving you. I found joy loving you. 'Cause you a man after my heart. I will always love you. Titi lai lai. Nekwamo, molumo, walumu meliye masirigi nuga. Obimo, inuga love me. Nekwamo, molumo, walumu meliye masirigi. 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 Nekwamo, molumo, niko wangulumo ngwa. Nekwamo, molumo, walumu meliye masirigi. Adi musevu na akadia. Molumo, molumo. Nekwamo, molumo, walumu meliye masirigi. Bangweli feni nenchara. Bangwelo my quality. Forget his condition.